Today is Saturday, March the 23rd, and we are taking a look at our west-facing bed. It is a relatively new bed, and so a lot of the plants have not grown in yet, but we're going to get there. So we're going to start with our first plant here, which is a Texas native. It is called a white brush. So you can kind of see it has very small white flowers on it. We've added some red salvia into this bed as well. And we also have some blue mealy sage in the bed. As we move on down through the bed, we have the South Padre Island mist flower. So you can see the blooms on the mist flower. Next to the South Padre Island mist flower, as we continue on down, we have the white morning glory bush, more South Padre Island mist flower, another white morning glory bush, this particular plant is not a Texas native, but it is the white bridal bouquet plumeria. It is, on each side of it, we have the pink salvia, and then behind there you can see the combination of the red salvia and the blue mealy sage. As we move on through, you can see the pink salvia, and beside we have another plumeria. This particular plant is not a Texas native either, but it is the red jatropha. And you can see that after our last freeze, it was bit back quite a bit, and so we've snipped off the stems, and it is putting back out from the bottom. Next we have our Esperanza. This plant is a crucita. And we're alternating between Esperanza and Crucita here as well. And this is a relatively new plant, but it is a Zexminia. And it will grow in and it will have yellow flowers. And then we have our Texas sage. Texas sage is known as the weather predictor. As the humidity changes, you get these small purple blooms that are on it. So again, this is our west-facing bed, our west-facing bed, and it is a relatively new bed, but it will begin to grow in as the summer and spring progress.